Number 5 is Voxelab 3D printer. In today's world of ever-evolving technology, where drones have taken flight and captured our imaginations, one 3D printer stands tall as the perfect companion for all your aerial adventures, the Voxelab Aquila X3. This magnificent machine is not just any ordinary printer, it's a gateway to unlocking endless possibilities. Imagine a printer that levels itself effortlessly with just a touch of a button, sparing you the hassle of tedious adjustments. The Aquila X3's 25-point auto-leveling feature is a game-changer, saving you valuable time better spent soaring through the skies. This double-sided marvel ensures your models detach effortlessly while its durability guarantees lasting performance, sparing you from costly maintenance expenses. Let's remember the little things that make a big difference. Filament runout detection and resume printing features ensure you never waste a single strand and eliminate the fear of unexpected power outages ruining your masterpiece. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for drones. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our sublimation focused channel for more amazing upcoming videos.